So now we are talking about this present era now. This present era, because of the organization I told you of that religion has brought. So I agree with that, that religion is a man-made thing, that is a way of organizing how people understand God. Okay, this is my denomination, this is how God is. Then it is set it as a rule, so which comes with a lot of lies. So I'm talking about the Abrahamic religions. So it comes with a lot of lies that if you don't follow this way, you go to hellfire or that. So they organize it for themselves for their own selfish interest. And it has been established that they use this to enslave us as Africans. So we are still on initiation, and I want to give a proper analysis to answer this question. So I hope you understand what I'm talking about. So now we are talking about this era. This era now says that there are people who are practitioners, who are